Alright guys, here's my favorite nephew, DJ. Why don't you tell your viewers what are we doing today?
We're shooting some Tannerite.
Okay, but not just regular shooting, right?
Nope, we're gonna put it inside of that dishwasher. We're gonna put it in there and shoot it.
What are we gonna use to shoot?
270 Winchester Savage.
Alright. What do you think was gonna happen?
I think it's just gonna go everywhere, or it's just gonna be a little tiny boop, and then we're gonna open it, and the whole thing is gonna be like black inside. And
So do you think 2 pounds is enough? Should we put more than that?
I think 2 pounds is enough.
2 pounds is enough. Alright guys, we'll see what happens. We'll keep you updated. Tell us, what are you doing now?
So we got the Tannerite here. We're gonna be mixing it. So we got these beads. It goes into the bigger one. Then you take these packets. You struggle to open them. Jeez. Struggle a little bit more.
You got it open already.
Dump it into the beads.
Ready.
Hey, we're recording.
So I guess this is the cleanup after the blow up. Dishwasher was roughly right there, we're behind the green trash can. This is the front of it. You can see the entry. Yeah, we keep picking up stuff. What do you think, DJ?
That's cool.
What are we gonna blow up next?
I don't know, maybe we put it inside of a tree.
Do you have a fridge or something we can blow up? Let's see, pieces everywhere. So this is what's left out of the dishwasher.